In this video, I'm going to share how to scan a QR code right on your MacBook. First scenario. If the QR code is already on a website, make sure you open that page using Safari. Then, simply right-click on the QR code image. You will see an option to open the link immediately. It's built right in. Second scenario. If your QR code is saved as an image file in Finder, go ahead and right-click on that image, select Open With, and choose Safari. Once the image opens in the browser, just right-click it again, and you'll be able to open the link just like before. By the way, I'm doing this on the latest macOS Tahoe. Now, if those methods don't work for you, here's a solid backup plan. Go to Google and search for Scan QR Code. I personally recommend scanqr.org. Click on Scan Now. Then, just drag your QR code image into the upload area. Look to the right, and your link will appear instantly for you to copy. If you have a physical QR code on paper, just open up Photo Booth on your Mac to capture it. Once you have the image, you can simply process it using the methods I just showed you. Finally, if you work with QR codes a lot, open the App Store and search for QR Journal. Download it, open it up, and click the Scan button. It activates your MacBook's camera, so you can just hold the code up and it captures it instantly.